Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special to share with you. A brand new luxury box-type house for sale in the vibrant city of Negombo. Get ready to be wowed as we take you on a virtual tour of this exquisite property. Situated on a spacious 10 perches of land, this stunning box-type house offers the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience. Step inside, and you'll discover 3 large bedrooms, each offering ample space and natural light for a cozy retreat, with 2 beautifully designed bathrooms, complete with modern fixtures and tap water. Luxury and comfort are at your fingertips. The open-plan living area exudes sophistication and style, providing the perfect space for relaxation. This house also features a dedicated car parking space, ensuring convenience and security. Located just 8 minutes away from the bustling city center of Negombo, you'll enjoy easy access to all amenities, including shopping, dining, and entertainment. Now, if you're ready to make this luxurious box-type house your own, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the provided contact number 77752 6964. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this exceptional property in Negombo, where luxury meets convenience. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more amazing properties and real estate opportunities. Until next time, take care and happy house hunting!